The effects of social networking site SNS use on college students' friendship and well-being by Jin-Liang Wang, Linda A. Jackson, James Gaskin, and Hai-Zhen Wang. This video presentation is presented by Mark McKinney. Social networking sites have become an integral part of modern society. Throughout the world, billions of people have become members of online social networking sites such as Facebook and Twitter. In recent years, these sites have become so integrated with modern culture that they have become a factor of friendship level for many people and have also possibly become a determinant of social well-being. While Facebook and Twitter are two of the most popular social networking sites in the United States, similar websites such as RenRen and Qzone are the dominant social networking sites in China. The researchers in this study measured the effects of SNS use on college students' friendship and well-being by collecting data from students at two large four-year undergraduate universities in southwestern China. Approaching their research, the authors determined that two of the most important incentives for engaging in social networking site use are 1. Social communication, and 2. Entertainment. Social communication may include activities such as online messages between friends, while entertainment may include activities such as watching videos or playing online games. The authors also noted the importance of online self-disclosure, the level at which a user shares personal feelings or information with his or her friends online in social networking site use. The authors of this paper postulated several hypotheses. They first hypothesized that the use of SNSs for social communication will be positively related to users' well-being. Their second hypothesis was that the use of SNSs for entertainment functions will be unrelated to users' well-being. The third hypothesis was that SNS use will be positively related to online self-disclosure. Their fourth hypothesis was that online self-disclosure will be positively related to users' friendship quality. And their fifth and final hypothesis was that for SNS users, friendship quality will be positively related to well-being. To recruit participants for their study, the authors of this research paper advertised the study to students with a compensation of the equivalent of about $1.5 US. Of the 402 students approached, 337 completed the survey. In other words, the response rate was 83.83%. After contacting students to participate in the study, the authors then created measures for their studies for several categories. These categories included Qzone usage, online self-disclosure, social anxiety, friendship quality, and well-being. Although earlier studies suggested that friendships that formed and developed online were generally weaker compared to friendships that originated from real-life circumstances, the authors of this article contrarily predicted that the social networking use would foster greater levels of friendship. The authors' results generally supported their hypotheses, with several interesting exceptions. The authors' results supported hypotheses 1, 2, and 4. Participants who used SNSs more frequently for social communication reported higher levels of well-being than those who used them less frequently for this purpose, supporting hypothesis 1 and consistent with previous research performed by other scholars. The researchers also found support for hypothesis 2, that SNS use for entertainment is not related to well-being. Consistent with previous research, the study showed that the positive relationship between internet use and well-being is weak and disappears when the internet is used for non-social purposes. The authors also found that online self-disclosure was positively related to friendship quality and that there was no significant relationship between friendship quality and participants' well-being. Interestingly, the research performed did not support hypotheses 3 or 5. The authors found that SNS use for its communication function was negatively related with online self-disclosure. However, the authors theorized that this inconsistency with previous research may be attributed to the demographic of the participants. While the participants from the study were from China, previous studies involving online self-disclosure have been performed in Western cultures such as the United States. The authors also mentioned that another possible explanation for the discrepancy of their third hypothesis with their findings may be that considerable public attention has recently been given to the threat to privacy posed by online communications. The authors also found that there was no significant relationship between friendship quality and participants' well-being. The author stated that, in hindsight, the finding is not surprising when one considers that social relationships are a necessary, but not sufficient condition for high levels of well-being. Although the researchers were able to confirm several of their hypotheses, they suggested that generalizations of their findings should be made cautiously. Furthermore, they commented that further studies that applied similar questions among other demographics would help determine the relationship of SNS use and college students' friendship and well-being.